Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Norina Kawal. In this video, I will explain you step by step how you can start your own online business with zero investment. If you are totally brand new and beginner, so don't worry, just listen carefully. I will explain you step by step how you can start. So first of all, you don't need to take any investment. You don't need to buy any product, and you don't need to spend lots of money. You just need to give 1 or 2 hours, and that's it. So first step, what you need to do simply, it's affiliate marketing, promoting other people's stuff and get commission. Second thing, so I hope you understand about this. So second thing is niche. So what is niche? Niche is your interest, right? So like if you are expert in gaming, beauty products, health and fitness, so you just need to choose a product to promote. The third step, where to promote. If you are totally beginner, you don't have any budget on to run Google ad or Facebook ad or any ad, so this is totally organic and start with zero investment. So just listen carefully, I will explain you. So first step, you need to pick the product, right? And the second step, where to promote and how to promote. So first of all, I will show you where to pick the product. This is a ClickBank, so you need to sign up. It's from worldwide. No worry if you are from United States or UK or like Saudi or Dubai, so be relaxed, it's work worldwide, right? This is ClickBank, leading global retailer and affiliate marketplace. It's mean there is different type of products to promote. You just need to select the product and promote. So if you are missing my video, go back and watch the ClickBank how to sign up and sign up your account. I have already account, I just log in. In the ClickBank dashboard, this is your dashboard, right? So you need to create your account first, right? So here, account, you need to create account and start. This is your affiliate marketplace. So you can see this is affiliate marketplace. There is different type of categories. You can choose your niche or your interested product from here, like art and entertainment, bidding system, business, investing, computer, internet, cooking, food and wine, education, fiction, game, anything you like, right? So this is huge platform of different categories. You just need to select. So for example, I'm choosing health and fitness. So this is health and fitness products. So I'm giving you example. You can filter here, right? So and you can choose a language, billing type, required attributes. So everything is there. So how you need to choose a product, so which products you need to choose, right? So sort result by gravity, right? You need to select gravity, and it's mean the products are in market selling every day, right? Customer also want to buy it again and again. This is valuable products. You can see these are product customer already want to buy it, right? So you can see diabetes freedom, keto diet, and flat belly tonic, so carbo facts, and the smoothie diet, lean belly, and steel bite pro, and you can see Sana face. So in the side, what is $115, $28, $134? It's mean when you promote this product, you will get $28.89. So how you need to promote. So totally beginner, so listen carefully. Just click here, promote. Create before you create the account name, you just need to put it here. So this is your generating hook link, right? So you need to copy this link. So where to promote? The question is this, I'm totally brand new, I have no TikTok follower, I have no Facebook group, I have no YouTube video. So how I will be sell my product? Where I will be sell my product? So this is a good question. I will give you answer. So simply you need to take the link from ClickBank of your interested product. So next step, what you need to do, I'm telling you about totally organic marketing, right? So you need to go on Facebook. This is your Facebook. You need to click here on create. There is plus sign, it's mean create. You need to create the group, right? So here you need to choose the group name, right? So once again, you choose your niche, you choose your interest, and you select the product you to promote. And where to promote, you just need to go on Facebook and create a group. So I will put the group name health and fitness. And fitness. So choose privacy is private, yes, visible group. And I'm just giving you example, so just need to create it. I'm not inviting right now any friend, so I'm just giving you idea how to create. So you can see group is created. So where to pick the picture from your cover which is describe your product, about the product, you need to go on paxel.com. You can see in here you can download free video and pictures for free, right? So you just need to search here about your product. You can see there is different type of photos. I can download the photo from here and totally free. So for example, I download this picture. Don't see these action, just picture is there, JPG. Okay, so don't be worried if these are cut it here. So go back to your Facebook group and add it here. Choose from group photo, choose from my photo, choose for illustration, upload photo. So if you want to add something, you just need to go on Canva and you can add it into your picture. So I drag the picture, save and changes. So what is the next step? So what you need to do and how you need to put the link here, your affiliate link, right? So you need to go on Google, search health and fitness articles, right? So you can see here is lots of articles. For example, I'm choosing here this article. So stress relief, high intensity. For example, this article. So what you need to do, you just need to copy this article, right? So make sure read the everything inside the article which is match your product, right? I'm just giving you example. Don't copy me. Just giving you example. First read the article. Is it match with your product? Then please it's copy and paste in the group, right? So for example, I create the post here. So paste your article here on post, right? So use the space and bullet, and so text bold. So be creative, right? So you can see, so you can bold it, right? So next step, you go back on ClickBank marketplace. So you can see here there is flat value tonic. So your article is according to flat value tonic, right? So once you need to copy and paste from the Google, you just need to take the link and generate hook link, copy it and paste it, right? So this is how you can see. This is your link, affiliate link. When someone buy this product, you will be get $137. So and you can also promote the another product related to this article. You can use custom keto diet, and people are already want to buy custom keto diet, right? So you can also add another link. You can use 2, 3, 4 link as much as you can. I suggest you just use two product. So one product should be high price and the second product should be low price. So copy this link and again you need to paste it here. You can see this is your second product. I just paste the link here, custom keto diet and flat belly tonic. So you can use a picture according to your article and related to your product. You can add the picture, so you can add here. So this is how you can promote the product with zero investment. You don't need to invest any cent, right? And you are not investing anything. You are just investing your time, like it could be 1 hour or half an hour. So basically the purpose is you need to give the values every day to your customer, your audience, right? So every day you need to post in the group. The Facebook automatically suggests the people to your group to join your group, right? Once the people join your group, they will see your content, your post, your picture and product, and definitely they will buy your product. This process take time, like 2 weeks or 1 week. So be consistent and post every day related to your product or which are you promoting. So this is how you can promote the product on Facebook organic market without any investment, right? If you are totally brand new and beginner and no idea where to start and how to start, so what you need to do, you just need to take 15 days challenge, right? They will teach you everything A to Z about this system, how to do affiliate marketing. In every video, why I said about how to make money online, how to start online business, because in 2021 everyone is doing work from home, right? So the online system and technology and software built everywhere, right? So they eating the world. everywhere these technology are working. So first step, you need to take 15 days challenge and book your meeting with advisor. You can talk with him, 101 Zoom call, and you can plan your business for how to do work and how to start. So if you had not enough time, you can take 3-day challenge, and quickly I believe you can build your business 72 hour, right? You just need to take 72 hour, just complete the this training and start building your business setup on different software. And once your business setup is done, you just need to jump on market. You just need to have enough knowledge how the system is work, and then jump in market and promote the product, right? You need to promote the product which has high price, which has value in market. So once again, if you are totally brand new in my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and take any of challenge. This is my first recommendation. You can take the 15 days challenge, and both challenge are both are $7. So you need to take the training. This is training about social media and how the system is work, how affiliate marketing is work, right? So this is long term assets. This is long term affiliate marketing online business, right? So this is how the system is work. They will teach you everything A to Z. So you just need to take this challenge and start. This is long term online business, right? So I hope you like my business my video, and drop down a comment and let me know what did you think about my video. So did you like my video? So just drop down a comment when you watch my video. And once again, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching. I hope you will be understand everything in this video. I explain you everything. If you have not money, you can start with zero investment. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.